Hi, my name is Amy, and today my team and I are going to talk about the nature of language. The nature of language is a complex and multidisciplinary topic involving linguistics, philosophy, neuroscience, and other fields. Language is a system of signs and symbols used for communication, expression, and information sharing, existing not only in humans but also in animals through various expressive forms like gesture, sounds, and biochemical signals. Biological and evolutionary origin of language. Language plays a crucial role in constructing meaning, culture, and cognitive evolutions, allowing humans to express abstract thoughts, emotions, and memories. Its origins are deeply rooted in biological evolution, with communication systems seen in other species such as birds, ants, and primates. The concept of proto-language suggests that primitive communication gradually evolved into sophisticated human language, enabling abstract reasoning.
Hello guys, my name is Maria Cruz and I'm going to talk about the cognitive and neurological foundation of language. The brain plays a crucial role in language with specific areas dedicated to its production and comprehension. Areas such as broadcast area, speech production, and working area, speech comprehension, are specialized for language processing. Humans have an innate ability to acquire language, facilitated by our brain's neuroplasticity. Language and culture. And culture are inseparable. For example, some languages have words that represent ideas or objects that doesn't exist in other cultures, demonstrating how deeply language is tied to culture. Languages are dynamic and change over time.
Hello guys, my name is Anali Valdez and I'm going to talk about language and culture. Language is a system of communication that uses symbols such as words, sounds, or gestures to convey meaning. Culture refers to the shared beliefs, values, customs, practices, behavior, or material objects that characterize a popular group or society. Language and culture are closely connected, with language serving as the medium through which cultural values, norms, and knowledge are passed down. Each language reflects the worldview of its speakers, shaping their perception of the world. For example, certain languages have unique words for concepts or terms that not found in other cultures. Thank you for your attention. My partner is going to continue.
Hello teacher, as you know, my name is Alex Galvez, and now I'm going to talk about the nature of language. In my part, we have the key dimensions defining the nature of language. In the number one, we have a human universality. The number two is symbolism and arbitrary nature. The number three is rule-governed structure. The number four is creativity and productivity. The number five is duality of pattern. The number six, and the last one of my part, is cultural and social tools. In the number one, we have that the language is a universal trait of humanity, present in all cultures and society. In the number two, we have the language is relies on symbols such as word. The number three, we have language follow the rules like a syntax, morphology, and phonology. And the number four, we have human language is generative. And then number 5, we have language operates on 2 levels. Like one involving sounds, like a phonemics, and the other meaning morphemes and words. In the number 6 of we have language reflects and shapes cultural values and social norms. Thank you, teacher.
The language is dynamic and evolutionary since it changes over time and adapts to cultural, technological, and social shifts. New words, expressions, and grammatical structures emerge. Cognitive function language is closely related to cognition, helping abstract thinking and memory organization. The language is innate, acquisitive, diverse, variable, and with non-verbal aspects, such as gesture or facial expressions. Language, as an identifier, is a tool to navigate multiple social and cultural identities. The nature of languages is complex, extending beyond words and syntax. It is deeply intertwined with our biology, connection, cultures, and society. Language serves as tool for communication, the cultural transmission, and identify formation inside